Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we will learn about anti-gravity from Google. So I have no idea what the hell anti-gravity is. So this is a total beginner course. So it's not a course basically, it's a video basically. So let's see together how this anti-gravity from Google really works. Okay, so what we can do, we can go to Google. And what we can do is say anti-gravity. Okay, and you can just type Google as well. So okay, this is the link. And what we can do, if you are using Mac, you can download for Mac. I will be downloading for Windows. Okay, so I will use this one. And now it is downloading. Okay, so just wait for it. Now it's been done. So what we can do, we can just run that and accept the agreement and just basically download that. Yes, we want to have a shortcut and install. Okay, so now just wait for the installation to be finished. Okay, almost done. So now what we can do, keep the check button and then click on finish. So now what we have is let me so this is the window basically. Okay, so you have options, so we'll click on next. I like to keep, let's say, Tokyo night. Basically I think this is much better than black one, and recommended, I will go with the recommended one. Next, and now what we can do, we need to sign in with Google. Yeah, we have to sign in with Google. Okay, now you have to put your email, your Gmail. Okay, put your Gmail and password and click next. So I have done that. Okay, so I have done the Gmail login. Now click on next, and that's it. So now we are here. So now what we need to do basically, now it is installing extensions, etc. But now what we can do, we need to set a folder. Okay, so for any project, the first thing we need to do is to set a folder. So what I can do, click on open folder, and I will go to documents and I will create a folder. I will say first website portfolio. Okay, so click on that and now select that folder, and then now we have to actually make sure we have to authorize this as fully authorization. Okay, it says trust the authors, so click on that and click yes, and now that's all done. So now what we need to do, I will make this bigger, and we will dismiss this notice. So as you can see, we have this window here, which is basically for all the files. Okay, so whenever AI or anti-gravity creates any files, is gonna come here. Okay, all the files will come here, and this area is to actually for the agent, so you can have multiple agents and you can select your model as well. Okay, and this is a screen for the code. Okay, so we can see what is being coded. Okay, so I don't have the pro version, but sooner I will get that one. So for now I will use the Gemini 3 Flash. Okay, so I will use that for now, and then hopefully we will manage to create a portfolio website with a free version. Okay, so later on we can upgrade that one. Okay, so now what we can do, so our folder is set. We have our we have the panel for the files, the agents, and the main the canvas for the coding or whatever you call that. Okay, so now what I can do, I can click on my mic, okay, and I will say, hello, can you please make me a website, a portfolio website, okay. Let me see if it's working. Does it work? Hello, can you? Yeah, it works. Okay, so what I can do, I can delete this one. I was just testing whether it's gonna work or not. So now what I can do, I can click on this mic and I will say, I like to build a portfolio website. I am a electrician and I want to show different examples of what I have done. And I actually, cover USA. I mean, I live in USA and I cover California, and I work around there. So my target is to actually my aim is to target customers in California. Okay, local businesses, buildings, houses, and etc. Okay, whatever. So I want to build a website around that. Okay, around that. So I use pixel.com images for free. Okay, the free images basically as placeholders, and make sure the website is fully responsive, and also make sure I use a UI library so my website looks amazing. Okay, fully responsive, and then also the color theme should be electrician type of theme. Okay, so yeah, that's what I want. So now we will actually stop that one, and now we will send it. Okay, now we send that to the agent, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so now it is the agent analyzing, and now is generating. Okay, so all right, so this is the plan basically. So now it is saying basically implementation plan MD. So basically we need to save this plan in the MD file. Okay, so let's open that one. So what we can do basically, yeah, so what we can do, we can just right click file, and let's say we can we can create a file called plan.md. Okay, and I don't know if you can save this one. Let me see if I save this one. All right, so what I can do, yeah, I can copy all this. Okay, just copy all this. You go here, paste that. So now we save that. Okay, so now we have the plan. Okay, so now I can say follow the plan.md file. Okay, so now we have our plan here in this md file. So it knows actually what need to be done. Okay, so accept that. Now we will see a couple of prompts from anti-gravity. So just keep accepting. Okay, all these. Okay, so it is running all these commands, so just make sure you keep accepting all these commands. Okay, you can see the files are being created. You see now we have index file and other files as well. So everything now coming in place. Make sure you keep an eye on this. As you can see, it says working, and it might say sometime generating, so means the agent is working. Okay, so now keep accepting these. So now it is basically using React and Vite, okay, to create the whole project. So now everything comes here. So it says browser setup. So this is the extension. So add to Chrome. You can sign in, but I will leave it for now. And let's see. So I will say allow. All right. So this is our website. So basically it is still working. Okay. Of course, I'm not really happy with the design, but of course this is the first shot, so we just have to wait. We can improve it. Okay, so we have to wait, confirm that. Okay, it says it has completed. So let's see. All right, I like the colors. Okay, so for example, this hero image doesn't make any sense. Get a quote nice about page. Yeah, this is not bad. Gallery is good, but this image is not good, and the hero image is not good. So what I can do, uh, click on a print command on your keyboard, okay, and then take a screenshot of this, okay. And what we can do, we can go back and then we can paste it here, Control V, and say, okay, you know what, check this hero image. This is not good. So I paste that, and now anti-gravity is gonna read this image and is gonna fix it, okay. So now it is actually reading the image. Okay, still waiting. Let me go here. All right, let's go here. I cannot see the agent anywhere now. And here and fix the hero image. We send that again and let's see what happens. No, this is still not good. So what we can do, we can go to basically, we can go to pixel or pixels. Okay, so let's say, I will say electrician. I go here and let's say I copy image address, and I will say like use this image, and I paste that. Stop this one first. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, that's done. So basically you can go to Google Images, not Google Images, but maybe Pixel Images or whatever, and then you can actually paste a link, and basically you can okay, getting done. Still working on it, so just wait a little while. All right, so I think finally we are done. So this is our website. Anyway, that's good. So that's enough. I think we are good to go. So this is a website. Hopefully this is responsive. Yeah, this is fully responsive. Wow, and the menu works fine. Okay, there is no close button, which we can actually just by clicking on home or services, we can go through different sections. Okay, so this is how you use anti-gravity. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. I will see you in the next one. Take care.